Albert Bandura, the psychologist who developed the social learning theory and who still serves as the professor emeritus of Stanford University, describes self efficacy as the belief that one has the capability to initiate or to sustain a desired behavior. This is a core aspect of the change model and, in turn, of the coaching model. This will be discussed as a training session of its own. Self efficacy describes the circular relationship between belief and action. The more you believe you can do something, the more likely you are to do it. And the more you do it successfully, the more likely you are to repeat this behavior. But the opposite is also true. It is important that the coach not allow the client to set inappropriate goals, basically setting up a series of failures. The coach is also responsible to correctly identify the client's stage of readiness to change. It is irresponsible practice to let a person in the I may phase set late stage behavioral goals. I may stage clients need to set feeling goals and thinking goals. This allows them to find motivators, identify barriers, and work out solutions. They are not yet ready to experiment. How do we tell the difference between the I may person and the I will person? The coach can ask pointed questions such as, why are you making this change? What do you want to get from making this change? What is going to get in that way of making these changes? And what are some things that you will try to overcome the barriers? To prevent clients from setting goals that are inappropriate, the coach should ask the client to rate his or her confidence in attaining the goal this week. Answers over 7 are an indication of how confident you are. Explain the circular dependence of goals and success. Do not unduly influence the client with your enthusiasm. The construction of a coaching program can be done by also applying the stages of change principles. So generally, it takes between 3 to 6 months in order to establish new behaviors.